Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SMTS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But today had quite the eventful afternoon, huge volume. Granted, the price did pull back some, but from the overall standpoint, there is still plenty of opportunity to chip away and build some higher bases. And that is going to be the reference point that I talk about things from, more so the big picture point of view. So with that being said, what I'm going to do here is make the first update, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, this area right here at $1.30 was the resistance, and then of course when it broke above there, made a massive move to the upside. But what I'm going to do here is actually, let me get rid of that line just because, yeah, that level served its purpose, but I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere from the presentation standpoint. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But I do want to adjust this level up here and talk about the newest area of support being right around the $1.50 mark. Now, $1.50 I would not call a must-hold level, meaning if the price falls below there, does that mean the entire chart is all of a sudden destroyed? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the best and most ideal certainly be if the price can stay above that $1.50 mark. But from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as far as gauging the health of the move is concerned, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone else visualize that. That is what is being represented. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a very close eye right up there at the $2.25 mark. That's where the party essentially stopped today. I get it. There was that spike up above that area. But before we start worrying about, $2.80, let's just first see if the price can not only get up to $2.25, but then break above there. But all in all, I'm sure this one sent off plenty of alarm scanners today. So it'll be interesting to see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.